In today's video, I'll show you the new water textures from our Diorama FX range. There are many blue tones: Atlantic blue, Pacific blue, and Mediterranean blue. I'll apply all of them over this base. Notice that I do use a spatula to apply it. An old brush is a good option as well. As you can see, the application is easy peasy. Here are the result after applying them. There is another selection with more desaturated hues, which includes swamp water, muddy water, and river water. Now I'll use a darker base to apply the textures. I've already used these textures over bases in previous videos. If you'd like to get more videos about dioramas or bases for your armies, leave a comment. I'll be delighted to shoot more videos about it. And here you have the result once dry. Finally, there are also available tropical blue, brown water, and transparent water. And I'll use another base to apply them over it. Here you're the final result after they dry.